I want to look at a topic called 7 signs to know that you are a prophet. I want to say it again, 7 signs to know that you are a prophet. Point number one, you have a strong sensitivity to God's voice. You feel a consistent pull to hear and share what God is saying. Started with a knowing and a strong desire on the inside of me to hear the word of the Lord, to interpret the word of the Lord, and to convey the word of the Lord, what He was saying to myself and to others around me in that particular moment. And if you are listening to the sound of my voice and you have this same desire, this inkling, this tugging, this wrestling on the inside of you to know the will of God, to know the ways of God, to know the word of God, to know what God is saying, the desire to hear God, to know the mind and the heart of God. Maybe there's people around you who is sharing dreams with you and they always come to you for interpretation.